This is Ghost Towns of California, or Nevada and California, here July 4th, 2020 at the old Ward mining camp. We were here a couple years ago, only got pictures. She didn't get any video. And it was pouring down rain, cold, and none of us had jackets. And there was a weird guy camping right there. It wasn't too friendly, so we weren't able to actually spend much time here. We just got some quick pictures and left. And we didn't even get a chance to explore the old stamp mill down below, which we already did today, and I'll be adding that as a separate video. Pretty steep downhill, pretty steep back up. We're up here damn near 10,000 feet elevation, so if you're out of shape like me, it's kind of a hard hike, especially that I got COPD. Doesn't make it any easier. But this is the old Ward mining camp. This cabin that I'm looking at right here, I actually have an old picture. I believe it's either was taken in the 1890s or the early 1900s of this cabin all intact. Some assholes come up here and cut down a bunch of the trees. I don't know why, but I want to key in on a couple things that you can see on the old picture. You look, this rock right here, you can barely see part of it in the old picture, which when I post this on YouTube, I'll include. This stump right here, you can see in the old photograph. Now we took a Suburban up here, and it's not that easy, trust me. You probably won't want to do it. Probably better off with a side-by-side or a nice little Jeep. Road's a pain in the ass. We came up here last time, a couple years ago, by Yukon. Like I said, it was pouring down rain, and there was some pretty weird individual camped out here. It wasn't too friendly, I just put it that way. So now we got it all to ourselves, so we can take our time and show you. It's a little windy, sorry about the wind noise. I can't tell Mother Nature what to do. And I got a GoPro. I've told you 100 times. We're gonna go inside this old building. I didn't get to last time, I don't believe. See all the hatchet marks and shit where they hewed the wood. There's a nice 5-stamp bill down below this campsite or town site or whatever. Got that already. Not making the hike back down there to get one with that one's not going to have any commentary. And maybe if the wind dies down, we might try to take the drone up over this stuff for y'all. Kind of windy though, so we'll see. Well, I'm pretty sure we can get it up high enough over these cabins. It's not going to be too big of a deal. Anyways, there's that cabin. Like I said, some assholes been cutting trees down. Why, I don't know. Here's another view. We'll come up here. See the top view of this cabin. Nice little stump right here. Here's just the meadow out here. The Suburban. Another log cabin. Another log cabin that way. Yeah, like I said, 9,000, oh damn near 10,000 feet. according to our altimeter. I'm going to come off this now. Oh. Yeah, see. Not a whole hell of a lot left here, but it's always been one of those places I thought was pretty damn neat. We always wanted to re-explore it again. You know, on a better day without thunderstorms and ice cold rain and wind and all that, and a weirdo. So like I said, now we have it all to ourselves. 4th of July weekend, 2020. Show you the foundation over here before I get too ahead of myself. There's like a little foundation thingy over here. So last time we were here, it was raining so hard this whole area was a big pond. It was all flooded. Here's this little foundation thing. Ruins of the old stamp mill are down that trail down that way. Pretty steep going down. Pain in the ass coming back up. Get two different angles because I might be able to do a better before and after about this if I could figure out where that picture was took back in the day. I think roughly like that fucking trees dropped this tree. I think roughly right into here somewhat. Where the picture might have been taken, shot, whatever. I go look at these other cabins. We're definitely up in the high Sierras of Monroe County. That way. Yeah, we're going to explore the site at Dunderberg, which is down below. On our way out, we figured go to the farthest place first, work our way down. What we had in mind. And this was like the hardest thing to get to with that big ass Suburban. These log cabins have deteriorated a bit since I was here last, a couple of years ago. Since me and Mike were here. It's a shame because a few more years, a few more heavy snowfalls, babies are going to be completely toast. That's why hopefully you guys appreciate our videos because these will all be memories one day. Yeah, this one, somebody caught it on fire on the sides, it looked like. That was nice of them, assholes. Some people call this Dunderberg, but this was actually the old Ward mining camp. Dunderberg's down below, the Dunderberg mill. But like I said, we got the old Ward stamp mill. So the separate video, we're going to make it separate because there's no sound to that one. So you're going to hear some spaghetti western music overlaid on that one. So that's just the way it is. This one here, I'm trying to commentate a bit, show you what we're seeing. There's a book called Moto Diggings. You can find it on Amazon and some of the old used book sites, which I really recommend if you want to learn more about the history of this area, because it goes into a little detail. There's not a lot written, but remember the guy had his mine. One of the guys, the original guy that discovered the mine, had it was uphill somewhere, and the guy was like had a bad leg or something, and he used to crawl his way up to work his mine. Yeah, you'd have to check the book out. I don't have it with me to read from it. I highly recommend Moto Diggings. So all you gotta do is look it up, and it's a pretty interesting book. Tells you all kinds of stuff from different areas around Moto County. Masonic, Bodie, I think talks a little bit about Bodie, Dogtown, Motoville, Ward Mining Camp, Dunderberg, Clinton, Cameron, Star City. Years ago, I think this was a little bar, because it used to, years ago, I saw old pictures when I was younger. It had like a little bar looking thing. Now I'm an old man and this shit's deteriorating. We'll get you the whole around this one. Was there anything else over that way? Oh, a new one?
Yeah.
Oh. You want to try the drone or no?
Yeah.
It's up to you if you want to try it.
Try it.
All right, let me finish this up and we'll get that. Oh, National Antiques Act. Everything. Backside. I love these old log cabins. The construction of them. I just don't know why they cut all these trees down. There you go. That way. Ghost Town, California, Nevada, signing out from the Ward Mining Camp, Moto County, California. Please like, share, and subscribe.